Hi, my name is Sherri and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making these delicious toasted coconut cookies. Now I've been making these for a couple of years now and people have really loved them. I remember sending them to a guy that does contract work over in the Middle East. And he said, Sherri, I don't know what you put in those cookies, but my coworkers are going crazy over them. And if you are a coconut lover or you cook for someone that loves coconut, you want to get this recipe. So stay tuned. Here are the ingredients. A half a cup of butter, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of coconut extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of Rice Krispie cereal, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 1/3 cup of flaked coconut. As far as the instructions, what we're going to do is we're going to take the coconut and we're going to toast it in the oven. And while that's in the oven, we're going to mix the dry ingredients and then the wet ingredients and then combine the two. Now here we are with the coconut. We're spreading it out on a baking sheet with parchment paper. And we're going to spread it out really good because we want kind of a thin layer. Now I'm putting it in the oven and we're gonna bake it for 300 degrees. And you notice I'm putting it on the top shelf so it won't burn as easily. Okay, now here we are. We're gonna cream our butter with our 2 sugars. And I just basically use 2 1/4 cups to make it a half a cup of butter. Here we are with our white sugar. Then our brown sugar. Packed brown sugar. And then we're going to take the mixer and we're going to mix it up. Basically creaming it. Get it really in there good. Now we're going to add our egg. And then we're going to put in our 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Just get it a little hint of vanilla. We don't want it to overpower the coconut extract. So now we're putting in 2 teaspoons of coconut extract. And I just basically get it at my Kroger store, but you can get it anywhere. And we're putting that in. Okay. Now we're going to mix that together. And we're going to mix until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you get around the sides. Okay, now we're ready for the toasted coconut. Now you notice it's brown around the edges. What we're going to do is toss this together, mix it all in. Keep in mind this pan is still hot and the coconut is still cooking while it's on this pan. So when you finish tossing it around, you want to remove it with the parchment paper off the cookie sheet so it can cool. Okay, now I'm combining my dry ingredients. So I'm putting the all-purpose flour, and in that cup I put like my baking soda, salt, and baking powder. in, and I'm basically sifting it into a bowl. Once you get that done, you're gonna combine it with the wet ingredients. Now the batter is gonna get pretty thick, but you just keep working with it. You just want to put a little bit at a time and work it in until it's all in there. Okay, next we're going to put our rolled oats, basically oatmeal, dried oatmeal, and I used old-fashioned oatmeal for this, but you can use the quick oatmeal. You see it's getting thick. And now we need to crush the Rice Krispies. Now I'm using my mini food processor, but you can take your hands and just crush it with your hands if you don't have a mini food processor. It works the same, because before I got this, I just crushed it with my hands. And I get it nice and fine. And I pour it into the batter. And I'm mixing it. It's pretty thick. Then after it's mixed all together, I'm going to put the coconut in. And you want to stir that in. Now I don't use the mixer for that. I use the hand spoon for that. And then we're going to drop it by, I have a little cookie dough scooper. And I'm putting those on my cookie sheet. And I have a silicone pad. I bought this and it works wonders. It helps keep your cookies from burning at the bottom. And you see I flatten them down too. And then I'm baking them at 350. And you're basically gonna bake them from 10 to 12 minutes. But I would probably say after 10 minutes you want to start checking on them. And there they are. Smell that coconut. Ooh, it smells so good. And there you have toasted coconut cookies.
Okay, that's all we have for today, and thank you for watching the video on how we made these delicious toasted coconut cookies. And if you decide to make them, please put comments below and let me know how they turned out. Let me know what you think about the video. Like us on Facebook, like us on Twitter, and subscribe to us on this YouTube channel. So, we will see you next time in my kitchen.
Mm-hmm.